Collision theory explains how objects behave when they collide. There are two main types of collisions, which are elastic collisions, when both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved, and objects bounce off each other without damage. While in elastic collision, momentum is conserved but kinetic energy is lost. Some energy turns into heat, sound, or cause damage. Based on the movie clips, the cars will stick together after the collision. This means the collision is inelastic. First car has momentum of m1 times u1, while the second car has momentum of m2 u2. The equation for inelastic collision is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to the sum of m1 and m2 times with v.
Now we will start for the maths calculation. First of all, we will add the values for the car, which is 2000 kilograms for mass and 100 kilometers per hour for the velocity. As this is an inelastic collision, the car will also collide with another car, and finally when they collide, they will stick together as seen in the picture. Alright, in this question, the second car is static and has a mass of 1000 kg. Since it's static, the velocity is 0 kilometers per hour. Alright, now finally after the collision, the mass of the two cars will combine and becomes 3000 kilograms. As for the velocity, we will need to use some calculations to find it out. First of all, we will use the inelastic collision formula, the formula for momentum. Now we will add all the values that we have already stated into the formula. Alright, finally, using calculator, we will be able to calculate the value of the velocity of both cars after they collide. And finally, the value is 66.67 kilometers per hour.
In conclusion, inelastic collision occurs when two objects collide and do not bounce away from each other with the same kinetic energy as before. Instead, some of the kinetic energy is converted into other forms such as heat, sounds, or deformation of the object. Unlike elastic collision, where energy is conserved, inelastic collision results in a loss of mechanical energy. However, momentum is always conserved, meaning the total momentum before and after the collision remains the same. A perfectly inelastic collision is an extreme case where the objects stick together after impact, moving as one mass.